Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Every day 20% user is creating, but all the 100% user write. They are accessing their data means all the 100% user in a company. Every day all the employees are searching something right. But even if it comes to the joining part or creation of the employee or joining part, only few employees will be joining daily basis. But all the employees are searching something. That means they are retrieving the data. In the real world, retrieval is much needed, right? Retrieval is much needed. Every day for retrieving your data, like if you take example of Facebook, hardly every day 100 account will be getting created in Facebook. But 1 lakh or 2 lakh of people might be surfing on hourly basis, right? I am just giving an example. You can imagine the retrieval of data or the reading of data. It is mostly used compared to your creation of data. For retrieval purpose, we are using active rate to make it as a faster write. In the same way, this analytic query write. Analytic query, it is divided into two parts. One is your version 2, another is your version 1. Version 1, it is simply using a SQL query or SQL query to provide the data. But version 2, it is using an Elasticsearch. What does it mean, Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch is another service. It is deployed in a system, right? And this Elasticsearch can give 1 lakh or lakh of record in a fraction of second. In a fraction of second, you can retrieve 1 lakh of record. Where if you retrieve 1 lakh of record using only normal SQL query write, it will be too much slow. And this performance will degrade. Underdown. That is why the version 2 Elasticsearch is there. Elasticsearch, again, it is a service. It has a different memory. It has a different server which is deployed right. If you use the Elasticsearch, what it is doing, it will go ahead and search against your database using its own memory. And it will be much more faster. If I'll give an example, if you were a batsman, right? Or you were a person in your single hand, if there is a ball, if you try to hit it right, if you will be covered to able this distance, if 10% will come and they will try to hit the ball, definitely they will cover more distance than you, right? Because they have more power than you or than a single person. The same way, the Elasticsearch is a separate service or separate server which is dedicatedly there for your data retrieval purpose. And they're using this Elasticsearch concept. Again, it is the same query but through a different server. They're trying to retrieve the data against your database, and that is why it is too much faster and too much reliable. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.